In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and optimize your experience with TradingView by addressing common browser-related issues. Whether you're trading daily or just checking the charts occasionally, keeping your browser running smoothly ensures that TradingView performs at its best. Let's delve into the steps you can take to make your TradingView experience seamless and efficient. First things first, let's talk about rebooting your browser. While it might seem like a simple task, restarting your browser is one of the most effective first steps to address many online hiccups. By doing so, you clear out temporary glitches and help your browser start anew. Once you've closed all tabs and windows, just open the browser and navigate back to TradingView. After restarting, it's crucial to check if your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can significantly disrupt TradingView's functionalities, causing charts to load slowly or not display correctly at all. To check for updates, you typically need to go to the Settings or Help menu, depending on which browser you're using. If an update is available, take the time to download and install it. This will not only enhance your TradingView experience, but also improve overall browser security and performance. Next, let's explore the impact of browser extensions. While extensions are fantastic in adding additional features to your browsing experience, sometimes they can conflict with web applications like TradingView. To ensure there are no interruptions, consider disabling these extensions temporarily. You can usually manage your extensions through your browser settings. Try turning them off one by one and then revisiting TradingView to identify if any of the extensions are causing issues. If you find that turning off a certain extension resolves the problem, it might be best to keep it disabled while using TradingView or look for an alternative solution. Throughout this troubleshooting process, remember that a clean and updated browser creates a smoother experience on TradingView. This is particularly important for traders who rely on real-time updates and accurate charting data. By keeping an eye on updates, managing extensions judiciously, and starting fresh with a browser reboot, you set the foundation for more efficient trading sessions. Thanks for joining me today. I hope these tips help you enhance your TradingView experience by tackling those common browser issues head-on. Stay tuned for more insights and tools to help you make the most of your online trading adventures. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos. Enjoy seamless trading with TradingView, and until next time, happy analyzing.